In this video, we'll talk about the Martingale strategy, and we are not going to use in normal Martingale. What happens? You make trade of $1. If you lose, you make trade of $2. If you lose that, you make trade of $4, right? And keep on increasing, doubling that amount. You can do that if you want, but what I would suggest is you invest $1. If you lose this $1, you invest $3. But if you make profit in that $3, again come back to $1, and if you lose that $3 trade, then you invest $9. And if you lose that $9, you can invest $27 if you want. But I would suggest you to make your trade right in these three trades. Okay. And there is a way to do that, which I'll show you right now. So let's invest $1. Our trading time frame will be 5 second, and our candle will be also 5 second, and you need to enable this timer, okay, so that this timer appears at here. If this is off, then you cannot see the timer at here. Now you can see that market is clearly trying to go up, and you need to make one trade in the same direction where the market is trying to go. Now you made loss in that trade, then you can again switch to another currency pair and invest the amount of $3 in your next trade. So as you can see here, market is trying to go up, right? So we'll wait for the timer to hit 1 second, and we'll make the trade in the same direction where the market is trying to go. And we made profit, and our previous loss was also covered. Now again you return to $1. Okay, this is the simple martingale strategy that you can start to use. Now don't be so much hurried on making trades. So you can see market is trying to go, so whenever the market hits 1 second, at that time you need to make the trade in the same direction, right? Market was trying to fall, and again it start to went up, right? So again you need to invest another $3. Now you can change the currency pair because you have made the loss, and here you can see it is not a good trend. So let's keep on changing. And here also I don't see a good trend of a market. You need to find a good trend where market is trying to fall down or go up. So here you can see market is trying to fall down, and when the timer hits 1 second, at that time you need to make the trade. But again, when we made the trade, it start to go up. That's fine. Now the next trade will be of $9. So let's try to find out another pair where market is trying to go in a direction. So here also we found a market is trying to go in the above direction, so we made a trade of $9, and we made our loss and profit back. Okay, so now again we come back to $1. So friends, you need to find a strong trend of market and invest $1, $3, $9. If you lose all that amount, then you need to stop trading for that day. However, you can also make trade of $27, your fourth trade. Okay, but if you do that, then what happens? You cannot maintain the ratio of 1:2 profit to loss ratio. It is like you want to trade and you will keep on trading for a long time, but at the end you will make loss if you keep on doing that. Okay, what you need to do is, like, if you invest $1, $3, and $9, so your total amount of investment would be $13, right? So what you can do is you can make a profit of $26 in total by doing this exact thing, by trying to find out a market where it is trending in 5 second time frame. It is either going down or going up, and then keep on making your trade continuously to achieve that $26 profit. In that way, if you stop trading when you lose $13 and start to make $26 in profit on a daily basis, then what happens? Your risk to reward ratio is will be 1:2, and your profitability for your long term will be high. Okay, there will be high chance of you being in profit. And also, if you want to copy our trade automatically into your pocket option account by using the social trading feature of pocket option, then do join our free telegram channel and see the latest instructions there on how you can start to copy our trade.